Signal to JDM.
Is this the video?
Yep, this is the video.
Oh, this is a good idea though, because
This is the start.
yeah.
This
Okay.
This is the start of the build.
Step one of your build. You're gonna need some Metallica on the radio.
Come here to play a couple new ones, but we gotta play some old motherfucking shit.
Yeah! So first step when you're getting into building bikes, go on Craigslist, find yourself some free bikes, okay? Preferably like 3 minutes away from here.
So we're gonna go see if they're any good and probably take them anyhow, because if nothing else, there's a frame that seems decent.
Some extra pipe just in case we need some pipe.
Yeah.
Some extra little sprocket thingies. You know, chain. Just in case we gotta weld the chain together.
It's free. Well, we're good. It's go time. They're actually pretty decent size. This one's got
I wouldn't imagine that
some front suspension shit going on.
I wouldn't imagine that the tires would have holes in them. I just
I mean, even my like Schwinn ones, when we leave it in the basement over the winter, they
get flat.
flatten out. So, yeah, so, I mean, you can see there's like a slug and some stuff, but really not too much of it matters because
It's all coming off. The rotational.
it's a very comfortable looking seat. And this one looks like it'll have no problems. That's a big old spider.
Where?
It's a real, I think that's a jumping spider.
Oh, really?
I don't really know.
Really there, freaking Coyote Peterson?
Alright, so we popped the back wheel off. Now we got an Allen key going over
Taking
here.
off the tension thingy.
This one with us. We're taking this back one off. The other side was just one of those quick disconnect sort of deals.
When you're on the trail.
This one is bolt on both ends, but it's coming off pretty easily, so gonna work at taking a little bit more off and give you guys another update. Okay, update. We got the back wheel off on this one. Get the whole tensioner deal off. I'm trying to get the chain out and I can't. Seems like it's like stamped together with like a rivet sort of deal.
You're gonna need me to hold on.
Basically, we're gonna grind it.
There it is. Ooh, is that your skin?
Oh, my finger's all wet with PB and stuff.
There you go.
Oh.
Come get mine. Okay, we've moved locations. We're up in the bike lounge here. We're at the point where we're trying to get the crank arms off, right?
Okay. Alright, so remember, safety first.
Boom! Well, we got one off. We got it all stripped down, ready for some motor mounts. Got the pedals off, got the bars off, because I think we're going to go with 8 hangers. We have a Schwinn chopper bike in the junkyard at my house that I think we're going to salvage. We might try to salvage the big fat tire with the fender off, but this is how I want it to sit. Something like this. Alright? But anyway,
Yeah,
serious
so,
note, I think we're going to have to cut to fit our chainsaw in here. I think we're gonna have to cut, you know, like right here. And my idea was cut a little piece off, have a little support here. I don't really know what this is supporting, probably this part.
we're gonna have, pretty much regardless, have to cut
Oh yeah.
this thing, and we'll probably just cut it here and then start to figure stuff out. But anyhow, we're probably gonna do that
Probably
first.
gonna go one bike at a time, I think.
Put this one on the side. Next episode, we'll be hacking up the frame and
Hopefully have a motor here. Maybe some chopper bike parts someday if I could
yeah,
head down there.
yeah. So hopefully maybe a chainsaw
We
motor
got another
too.
oil change video coming.
Yep,
We got a paint video coming.
yep. We're gonna have an exhaust install
Video coming, yeah.
Yeah, so there's
Big thing.
quite a bit of stuff going on here up at the headquarters. So
I just want to sit down on my bike.
we're gonna close this one out from the open road.
Oh, I always want to shift it.
All right, we'll be back soon.